There are many great benefits with new home construction, perfect build, better thermal energy, but in that 5 to 8 year mark after you buy, things start to go downhill from there. Momentous family, what is going on? It is Patrick Robertson here today. We're going to be talking about the 6 key benefits of new construction homes, and then that way you can understand if maybe new construction is right for you, or maybe you want to buy an older home. Side note, we did put out a video of the key issues that come up with new construction homes after you buy. If you like this video, please give us a like, share, and subscribe so that way we can get that message out to other people, but then keep you informed when the new videos come out. Diving in, point number 1, of course there's going to be a lower maintenance cost when buying new construction homes. That is because the home is brand new. So when you buy a new home construction, you really get 3 years, if the home was built right, of maintenance-free, defect-free work in your home. And that allows you to save a lot of money up front that you might have spent actually purchasing that new home. However, be careful, because once you hit that 3 to 5 year mark, you're gonna start to see repairs and maintenance being drastically required, such as painting in the 3 to 5 year mark. And then once you start to get the 8 year mark, the 10 year mark, that's when everything starts to come down together. However, if you know and you plan for this, it's perfectly okay. Just understand that that 3 year price projection to maintain your home, your beautiful new construction, is going to get drastically more expensive as the years go on. Point number 2. High efficiency homes. They are just built with better thermal envelopes because of the building codes these days. Some come with spray foam, others have blanket insulation, but the R value and the thermal protection on your home is generally much better than homes that are 30 or 40 years old. Better windows, better insulation, and better HVAC system. Those are the 3 main areas where you're gonna see a benefit in new home construction when you're comparing against homes that are 30, 40 years old. There's really not gonna be too much difference in the actual energy efficiency of the home, but once you start looking at homes that are in the 90s, 80s, and 70s, the new construction homes are definitely gonna be more energy efficient, saving you money month over month. New home construction warranties, or a builder's warranty. Now mind you, this is very different than an actual home warranty. A builder's warranty protects you against any defects of the actual building of the home. Normally, these warranties come with a 1 year workmanship and 1 year exterior defect on the materials, and it also comes with a 6 year structural defect warranty against the home. So if you have cracked slabs, problem with the framing, these bigger items that are actually problems of the house falling down or having what are known as structural issues, how it's actually built, that is what a builder's warranty protects against. It is very different than a home warranty. Home warranty really protects against, say, appliances or a leak that comes up in the home. Point number 4, modern floor plans and modern finishes. New homes coming out today, they are coming with open concept designs, especially in Dallas, Texas. There's a popular building style and design style where you have 10-foot ceilings, definitely on the first floor, some type of cathedral ceiling in the living room, no walls separating the living room from the kitchen, and then flowing right into the dining room. Those are kind of the things that you're seeing in almost every single new construction home. There's a lot less privacy in these homes, but the rooms flow through much easier. It's almost like you don't have a transition between each room, as it kind of just flows throughout the house. If you like that type of layout, new construction is perfect for you. Almost every single home is exactly the same, whether it's this builder over here or that builder over there. They have the same type of concept with a different spin. Coming towards the end, we have point number 5, and that is good financing options. This has really come about in the last year or two in 2022 when we saw interest rates skyrocket and builders being on this place where they got to get their homes sold and they can't just sit on them. So what they started to do was offer incentives for buyers to actually buy new construction rather than an older home. What are these incentives? A lot of builders today are doing rate buy downs. So the first few years they will buy down the rate on the mortgage, and that'll help you lower your monthly mortgage payment. They're also offering closing credits, so it might be $5,000, $10,000, $15,000 towards the actual cost of closing on your home. And that's great for a buyer, especially if you're doing FHA or you don't have a ton of savings that you want to blow through when closing on the home. The rate buy down is awesome because we definitely expect in 2 to 3 years from now, we're going to be in a different place towards interest rates, maybe towards 5%. And that percent that we're seeing the difference, because we're about 6.75 right now, that's drastically different on your mortgage payment. The incentives to actually buy new construction homes because the builders want to unload them is very good right now at the beginning of 2024. Point number 6, which is kind of a cool one that a lot of people don't think about, but being a real estate agent and also doing investments in real estate myself, it's good to think about some of these things. And this is the potential investment opportunity in buying a new construction home. If you buy a new construction home, say between 0 and 30% developed, then you are getting a chance to buy the home at a lower price than it would be in 5 years from now when the community is completely built out. Because there's less amenities, because there's more construction going on, it's emptier, less homey feeling in the community, the homes are gonna be cheaper. But when the community is fully developed, then it's gonna appraise for a much higher value because there are more services. All the pools and parks are built out, all the walking trails are built out. Maybe even the community center is built out, but when you bought the home, it wasn't. So what does that mean? You might see 10% appreciation, 15% appreciation, well above the normal market of 4 to 6% around you because you're buying the home earlier on in the development. Now that does come with trade-offs, as we did talk about during our other video on the issues with new construction homes. However, if you are looking to say move in 3 to 5 years and you really want to capture on the opportunity to make some money, I think buying in a new construction, especially a new development, is a great opportunity to do that. Mind you, there is risk involved because if this community isn't built out right, if it's not maintained right, and if it flops and that it isn't the community that the developers promised it to be, you could be sorely out because your home might not appreciate as projected above market standards. Those are the quick 6 benefits you are going to see when buying a new construction home. Let's run those right back. You're gonna see lower maintenance costs. You're gonna see higher energy efficient homes. You're going to get a builder's warranty. New home constructions have modern floor plans, open concept. Number 5, you have good financing options on new home constructions today. And number 6, you might luck out and have a great investment opportunity when buying a new construction home. What we're really seeing when we lay out these pros and cons is if you want to buy a new construction home and only stay there, say 3, 5, 7 years, oh goodness, new construction homes might be right for you. But if you're planning to live there for 20 or 30 years, you're going to ride out the potential benefits of a new construction home, and then you're just living in an older home that might have a lot of costs in that 12-year mark. With that being said, Momentous family, thank you so much for joining us here today. This is Patrick Robertson. Again, I'm a licensed real estate, custom home builder, high-end remodeler. We really take care of our clients. If you do have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. In the meantime, we're super amped for all the videos coming out in the future. I think you guys are going to enjoy. So until next time, stay strong.